harvesting carrots. Guys, hello, it's officially spring now and I'm going to harvest carrots. Check the snow there. Check the snow. That's what in around. And here we're going to harvest carrots. This one is, I have a spoon because the earth is still hard. I don't know if it's working. So the carrots. These are carrots. Check that, the big carrots. Yeah, because some are already. If I will wait another day, cannot harvest these carrots already. This one is starting to be damaged. Check that. That's why I think this one is not good anymore. But still hard, half. That's fine. So only that, guys. March 21, harvesting my carrots. This one I will try to harvest that one. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.